time vehicle offered by Weatherford BMW.
This beautiful 2006 BMW 3 Series comes equipped with a quiet 6-cylinder 3.0-liter engine, an effortless Steptronic automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has comfortable seats, only 40,338 miles, and some of its features and options include air conditioning, an audio system with an AM/FM radio and cruise control. Call or come by today to schedule a test drive.
Weatherford BMW is located at 750 Potter Street in Berkeley. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.